Welcome to Choice Champions. The best fiber mascara is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products for achieving dramatic, voluminous lashes without the need for extensions or falsies, offering a revolutionary way to enhance your natural beauty with just a few swipes. This innovative formula typically involves a two-step process, applying a transplanting gel followed by a layer of tiny fibers, which cling to your lashes to create incredible length and thickness, giving you that coveted false lash effect that lasts all day long. It's a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their eye makeup game, providing a stunning, fluttery finish that's both impressive and surprisingly easy to achieve, making it a must-have in any makeup collection for those who desire truly show-stopping lashes. Number 5. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Mascara. Introducing the Cabaret Premier Mascara from Vivienne Sabó. Get ready for lashes that are defined, voluminous, and incredibly long. Experience a flawless look that lasts. This formula is designed to resist flaking and clumping throughout your day. Enjoy smudge-proof wear that still washes away easily. Perfect for any occasion without the worry of smearing. Achieve beautifully curled and lifted lashes with every application. It enhances your natural eye shape for a captivating gaze. Feel good about your beauty choices. This mascara is proudly cruelty-free and made with care in Europe. Get the dramatic black volume you desire. This mascara delivers intense color payoff for a bold statement. What we like. This mascara offers incredible volume and length, defining and curling your lashes for a dramatic look. It's smudge-proof and won't flake, ensuring your makeup stays perfect all day. If you're looking for a versatile mascara that delivers on multiple fronts and is easy to wash off, this is a great choice. What people say. This mascara not only gave perfect coverage from root easily to tip, it is a perfect level of thickness. There is no clumping. The formula goes on smoothly and adds noticeable length and definition without clumping or weighing my lashes down. One coat gives a natural, defined look, and a second coat builds nicely without getting spidery. It went on easily without clumping or gluing my lashes together and looked natural, but better. I wore it all day yesterday without any irritation or under-eye smudges, and it came off easily with micellar water last night. Number 4. Bestidy 4D Silk Fiber Lash Mascara. Discover the ultimate mascara for stunning lashes. Our formula provides a dramatic look without clumping. Enjoy a flawless finish that lasts all day. It's completely waterproof and smudge-proof, so your look stays perfect. Achieve incredible volume and length with every coat. It enhances your natural lashes for a beautiful, full appearance. Say goodbye to messy clumps. This mascara glides on smoothly, giving you defined and separated lashes. Experience comfortable wear from morning to night. It stays put without flaking or fading, ensuring your eyes look captivating. Elevate your eye makeup game with this revolutionary mascara. It delivers on all fronts for truly luscious lashes. What we like. Experience the power of 4D silk fibers for naturally thicker and longer lashes. This formula is waterproof and smudge-proof, designed to last all day without clumping. If you need a mascara that can withstand water and sweat while providing a natural yet enhanced look, this is the one for you. What people say. It doesn't end up looking like I have black eyes at day's end. Washes off easy but doesn't smudge. Great length. It survived all night without smudging. I then showered and most came off. The small amount left came off with makeup remover. Number 3. Youngfocus 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. Introducing our revolutionary 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. Get ready for lashes that are luxuriously longer, thicker, and more voluminous than ever before. This incredible formula is completely waterproof and smudge-proof. Enjoy dramatic extension and a flawless look that lasts all day without any clumping. We've crafted this mascara with a gentle, hypoallergenic formula. It's perfect for sensitive eyes, ensuring comfort with every application. Experience long-lasting volume that enhances your natural beauty. It provides a dramatic extension for a truly captivating gaze. Looking for the best gift? This mascara is the ultimate present for anyone who desires stunning, show-stopping lashes. Give the gift of beautiful eyes. What we like. Achieve luxuriously longer and thicker lashes with this 3D fiber mascara. It provides a dramatic extension effect that is waterproof and long-lasting. If you desire intensely dramatic, extended lashes and want a hypoallergenic formula, this product is an excellent option for a gift or personal use. What people say. This mascara is amazing. It makes my lashes look so long and full, like I'm wearing false lashes. I love how this mascara doesn't clump or flake, even after wearing it all day. The formula is lightweight and doesn't weigh down my lashes, which is a huge plus for me. Number 2. Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Introducing the Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Get ready for dramatic volume and incredible length with every application. Achieve a stunning false lash look effortlessly. This mascara delivers intense volume and noticeable lengthening for your lashes. Feel good about your beauty choices. Our formula is proudly cruelty-free, so you can enhance your lashes with confidence. We care about what goes into our products. That's why this mascara is formulated without parabens for a cleaner beauty experience. Elevate your eye makeup game with this essential mascara. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine for beautiful, bold lashes. What we like. Get the look of false lashes with this volumizing and lengthening mascara. It's designed to give you dramatic, eye-opening results without the hassle of falsies. If you love a bold, full lash look and want a cruelty-free and paraben-free option, this mascara is a fantastic everyday choice. What people say. It does not clump, it works, it stays on, even though not waterproof, it is perfect for all day. I like the wand, nothing fancy, ordinary truthfully, but it is easy to handle. It keeps my lashes dark, full, and adds noticeable length without clumping. The brush is a conical fiber wand, which helps coat each lash evenly while adding noticeable length and volume. I found it easy to build. 1 coat gives a natural look, and 2 coats create more of that false lash effect the name promises. Number 1. 400X Pure Silk Fiber Lash Mascara. Introducing the 400X Pure Silk Fiber Lash Mascara. Get ready for a dramatic transformation of your lashes. Experience incredible volume and stunning length with this ultra-black formula. It coats every lash for a bold, captivating look. Achieve the longer, thicker lashes you've always dreamed of. It enhances your natural beauty effortlessly. This mascara is waterproof and long-lasting, ensuring your look stays flawless all day. No need for touch-ups. Application is instant and incredibly easy, with no smudging or flaking. Enjoy a perfect finish every time. Formulated to be hypoallergenic, it's gentle on your eyes. You can wear it with confidence and comfort. What we like. This mascara uses 400X pure silk fibers for ultra-black volume and length. It's waterproof, long-lasting, and incredibly easy to apply for instant results. If you're seeking maximum volume and length with minimal effort and a smudge-proof finish, this is the perfect mascara for a quick, impactful look. What people say. Approximately 30 minutes later and ping-ponging back and forth from one eye to the other, I successfully recreated the results that I was so hoping to attain, which was to recreate the look I had with the false lashes. But, with the 3D Fiber Lashes mascara on my own lashes instead. Once you got a good coat going and have given it about half a minute to dry, you just put on a bit more mascara to protect the fibers, and it all kind of acts like a shell around each individual eyelash. You can even continue building layers until you've achieved the look you want, which I tend to do about 2 to 3 times to get some dolly lashes. It offers a lot of length and is not quite as clumpy as the other high-end brand I tried. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.